little late start in the day. It was just so cold. Now the sun's out, so that's nice. You know what that means. Drone time. Hi. Fire encounter so awkward.
No, that one was just weird.
I'm gonna take Pongo's jacket off. It's just getting too hot. If you're already tired, we'll go back.
Come on, let's go. Look at that. Look how fast she hopped up.
Whoa, 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 I'm all tangled.
How the? Oh, I went the wrong way. Oh my god. No. Fly the GoPro.
Fly the drone.
Oh, no, you said GoPro.
No, I did not.
I heard it.
Well, I have evidence.
Fly the GoPro. Yeah, we'll rewind this one back.
Play it back. Play it back. I'm right. Come on, Pops.
Come on, meows.
You enjoying the sun? Let's go. Do you want to go for a hike? Okay, mountain goat Mills. Come on, Mills. No problem. We're having to do surgery on Millie's shoes. I should say. You give me the other one.
Which other one? This one?
Yeah. We got Millie's from Pet Supplies or Petco, Pet Smart, whatever. And they're just not good. Look how bad that is. They're just coming apart.
That one got. I just taped the out of that one. I was not having
know. That one's the back left one's coming apart, or back right.
Both of the back ones are coming off.
We'll leave a link in the description on some good shoes that we like, that we use for Pongo. We used them in Colorado, and we used them here, and they're still pretty intact. So. We had some advice for people who want to put their dogs in shoes. The dogs aren't taking them well. We don't have that advice for you. Our dogs just got used to them. So our advice is make them wear them until they stop being awkward.
Yeah, they just get used to them.
I'm 15 years old. I'm a grandmother. Trail. It's not alive. It's not alive, Mills. It's dead. It's dead. It's dead. It's dead. Come on.
Man, this one's no joke.
Imagine going up this. That would be insane.
Shoot.
The back way?
Yeah.
Like the way we were about to go?
No.
What are you doing?
Hey.
Come on, Naughty. No turkeys.
No turkeys. No raccoons.
I see. What else did we see? Oh, armadillo.
Armadillos, that's right, that's right.
The armadillo. Oh wait, nope. Nothing.
They got wild butterflies out here.
No surprise. What's that? It's a rock. We just went that way.
We went one
The first time we went this way because we passed that.
Where did we go?
We went this way. We just went around that way instead of going this way. But we didn't see this or that. What is that?
Let's go, Meals. Let's go.
Come on, Meals. Come on, Meals. You want some water? Okay, we take water break. Update. If you're taking, what was it? The blue trail? If you're taking the blue trail and you want to try and make just a big old loop, your dogs are not going to make it. They're going to be very tired. You're going to stop. You're not going to be able to do anything. Right. So, we're cutting it early, and we're going to carry them, and we'll see you at our camp spot.